Hi everyone, my name is Mia. I'm 4 years old. Today, Nan's going to show you how to set the table. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. As Mia mentioned to you earlier, today we're going to be setting the dining table for the holidays, and I'd like to show you the tips and tricks that we do to set the dining table. Mia, my 4-year-old granddaughter, and I decided to set this table tonight. And usually what I'll do before I set the table is I'll get all the napkins ready for the table. As you can see here, they're all ironed and ready to go. But it depends on what set I'm using first to set the table with. For example, these are the Christmas ones, and they're ready, ironed, and they are ready to go. All I have to do is fold them the way this one is, but they're set up just like this. Then I'll just fold them real quickly, and that's easy to do, and even the grandkids can do that. And these are the regular ones that we use on a day-to-day basis, so they're all set and ready to go depending on what colors we're using, what season it is, or just however we're setting the table. So let's switch back over to the table. I'll get all the plates ready, of course, and these will be on the table. And so first we have a placemat, then we have a charger, and of course we have a dinner plate, the salad plate, and in this case there's going to be soup, but the soup is served from the counter there, and the napkin is in the middle. So the way that I teach the grandkids to set the table is the knife is on the right, the fork is on the left. Knife is spelled with 5 letters, K-N-I-F-E. Right is spelled with 5 letters, R-I-G-H-T. So the right is for the knife. Fork is on the left, and that fork is spelled with 4 letters, F-O-R-K. And then left is spelled with 4 letters, L-E-F-T. So they know the knife goes on the right, the fork goes on the left. And because we eat from outside in, so in this case there's soup, it's going to be served. So the soup spoon is to the right, and there's salad also that's going to be served. And the salad fork is going to be the left. So we eat from outside, you eat with the salad fork first, and then the dinner is the last thing that we're going to have here. Of course, the dessert is perhaps the last thing here. So this is the way that they learn to set the table. Now, the other thing that they have to learn is that the bread plate goes to the left. And so for easy memory for them, bread to the left, the bread plate to the left, the middle is the meal, and to the right that has the water and wine glasses are to the right. So we say BMW, B for bread, M for meal, and W for water. So that is how it goes. Then also they have to learn where the fork, dessert fork and spoon goes. So if you notice that the right has the spoon, so we move right over to the middle here, and that's where the dessert spoon goes, to the right. And then right below that is the dessert fork, and that if you were to move from the left here, the same way you would move over to pick up the desserts fork as well. So those are the easy things that the tricks and tips that we share with the grandkids so that they know how to set the table. Not only that, when in any situation they can go anywhere and sit and be comfortable because they know where to sit, they know what utensils to use. And it's not just the holidays, but just any time that there's a special meal or something that's going on. So I wanted to share that with you because as parents and grandparents and uncles and aunts, you're busy preparing the meal. The kids, the small ones, even at age 4, can learn to set the table, and it's so basic and so easy that and looks so presentable. So I'm showing you, of course, the middle section here with the candles, but that's not part of the decor. The main thing that I wanted to share is just how to set the dining table. And I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you'll share it and you'll have your kids and grandkids watch it so that they will be so informed and feel so comfortable in setting the table when you're busy with all the other cooking and things that you need to do in the kitchen. So thank you again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as me and I enjoyed preparing it for you. Have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.